Welcome to Tactical Explosions. Today we're going to do a shootout challenge with our ARs. So what we'll be doing is we're going to fire 3 rounds, reload, switch magazines, fire another 3 rounds at that target, and then if you miss, how many points are we going to dock off? How many seconds are we going to add on? 5 seconds? Alright, let's add on 5 seconds if we miss a target. So here's the drill of what we're going to go down with. We're gonna have our gun over here, without the magazine in it, completely empty. Gun of your choice. Hit the start button on the timer. Grab the gun, load it up. Run to this line over here, or walk. Take 1-2 steps. Fire down range, and then let's go on. You ready?
I'm ready.
One miss. Three misses.
Time.
27.
27 plus 3 misses.
That's 15 seconds. That's the camera guy wants. Then let's go. Misses. 3 misses. 1886. Recording.
Malfunction.
Jam.
Really jammed up in there.
3 bullets per mag.
Mm-hmm.
Clear, reset the timer.
Vara förgeten.
So missed 2. Barely stuck the third
2748. Now we're gonna test it with a AK-47 sent by Century Arms. We're gonna do the same challenge, but we only have 1 AK, so we're all gonna use the same gun. And we're not gonna have any practice rounds. This is gonna be raw footage. And yeah, we'll let David go first.
Yeah.
I don't know, should we count the misses? The open side is going to be pretty hard to hit.
Just put them as 2 seconds.
Okay.
So that way I'll only miss 12. I'll only have 12 seconds plus.
Remake our line here.
Get right into action, boys. Oh!
You can drop it.
Oh. Oh.
Did you miss the target once?
Twice.
Twice?
I
Did it
didn't
record?
count. I think I'll get it.
Did you get the target when Docket was hitting? Nice! Ready. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Let's go.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
15 plus 4 is 3270.
Start it over. So the winner of the AR was me, and the winner of the AK was David.
Yeah.
And he doesn't even own that gun. That's my gun, and he beat me.
This is the second time I was shooting this gun ever, or any AK.
Yep. And so now we're gonna do a little victory shooting for the two winners. The other guy went home already because he couldn't even participate with our times. So
Nowhere near us.
no. So here we go.